Hi everyone, again Sathar Ali here with French IR verbs. We have already learned ER verbs. Now we are going to learn the conjugation of IR verbs. So now what are we going to do with IR conjugation? For fini, we will remove R from fini. We are taking IR form, IR verb, and you remove R from fini, finir, and it will be fini. And you're adding S, S, T, SSONS, SSEZ, SSENT. So it will be like this: fini, 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 fini. For il and L, we use the same T. And finissant, finissez, and finis, finis. Again, I'm telling you, it is not finissant or finissant or finissant. It is finis only. Okay, so je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. So that is how we conjugate it. So now we are gonna learn accomplir. Okay, accomplir. Now, same thing you can try. J'accomplis, to accomplir, il accomplit, elle accomplit, nous accomplissons, vous accomplissez, ils accomplissent, elles accomplissent, elles accomplissent. And now here, grossis. Je grossis, tu grossis, il grossit, elle grossit, nous grossissons. Grossissons. We may be having a tendency to say grossons, but we already have grossi here, so we're adding s-son. So grossissons. And here, grossissez. Vous grossissez. Ils grossissent. Grossissent. Elles grossissent. Like that, we have to conjugate it. So again here, je grossis, je rougis, je remplis, j'obéis, je réussis, je maigris, j'accomplis, je punis, je bâtis, je réunis, je choisis, je rendis. Grossi means to become big or fat. Rougi means to become red. Rempli is to fill. Obéir means to obey. Réussir means to succeed. Maigrir becomes to become thin. Accompli means to accomplish. Puni means to punish. Bâtir means to build. And réunir means to gather or to reunite. And choisir means to choose. Grandir means to become big. Okay, to grow, like that. So that is all about IR verb. You can try with all these verbs like this, and make sure you are not making this mistake here with the grossi and réussi, because we already have C here, and also for choisi, it is not chausson, it is choisissons. Okay, so thank you very much. See you next in our next lesson. Bye bye.